The scene is safe.
Tulong! Sir, narinig po ang inyong panagod. Ako po si Judge. Train po ako ng basic life support. Makakatulong po ako.
Hindi daw po siya makahinga.
Pwede po makita.
Ba't sasabihin mo naman?
So kapag infant or child po, always ask for consent bago nyo po kunin.
So we can assess the baby pero mas maganda ilagay siya sa flat surface bago mag-assess. Then, we check for responsiveness.
No.
Baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay?
So unresponsive.
Hindi okay si baby.
So if the victim is unresponsive or infant, shout for nearby help or activate emergency response system via mobile device, asking a guardian or bystander to call for help or use of social media.
Ma'am, na nakag-blue, humingi mo kayo ng tulong, kumuha kayo ng emergency na gamit at bumalik po kayo sa akin.
Then after that, check for pulse.
Checking for pulse. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006.
No pulse, no breathing.
Starting CPR. Cover the mouth. Then start CPR.
No.
Finger technique. So 1, imaginary 9. Tapos pwede mo itaas to. That's 1 technique. This is your 2-finger technique. Pwede din naman na ganoon. Tapos ganoon na naman. Starting CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Adequate rate po sa infant, ilan po? Adequate rate.
3, 4, 5,
100 to 120 beats per minute. Adequate depth or lalim is about 1.5 or 4 centimeters. Then allow complete chest recoil, minimize interruptions in less than 10 seconds, at saka no excessive ventilation. In case po na wala kayong pocket mask, doon po papasok yung hands-only CPR. Pero sa case niyan, wala rin meron tayong pocket mask.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. Normal breath, 3,
Ilang cycle po pala pag infant?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Pag mag-isa rescue birth.
Pag dalawa, 10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 4. Neutral position, 3. Second breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The second rescuer arrives with bag valve mask. The scene is safe. So in case na hindi pa tapos yung first rescuer dun sa kanyang fifth cycle, patapusin niya muna. Or yung dun muna siya sa may pocket mask or bag valve mask.
After 5 cycles, B.
Sino na magsi-CPR?
We check first 4. Pulse and breathing. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Still
No pulse, no breathing.
Okay, we resume CPR but we change position.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So kapag dalawa na yung rescuer, ilang cycle na?
10.
Cycle po.
10.
10 cycle. Ang ratio natin is 15 is to 2.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6.
Kunyari pang 9 na.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, 9.
Breathe. Breathe.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10.
Breathe.
Checking for pulse and breathing. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005.
Positive pulse, positive breath.
So, paano pang recovery position natin? Yung dati, ngayon, head down, anchor natin yung legs sa may arm, and then make sure na yung head nakasupport, tsaka head down para dun sa pulling ng secretions. Okay, pwedeng nakaharap dyan, pwedeng nakaharap sa akin. Yan. Tapos yung isang kamay, ano gagawin after recovery position? We perform what kind of assessment? Secondary assessment. Okay? After secondary assessment, we refer the victim to the nearest healthcare facility for further evaluation and management. May question po?